Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, identification points of pseudostratified columnar epithelium for histology, practical and slide. There are four identification points of pseudostratified columnar epithelium. Number one, single layer of cells. Actually, there is a single layer of cells. Number two, nuclei arranged at different level. Nuclei arranged at different level due to give a false appearance of stratified epithelium. The third, tall cells are present which have broad apex and narrow base. Some conical cells are present, mean cone shaped cells are present which have apex narrow and broad base, and the tall cell nucleus arranged at center, at middle, and some conical cell small cell nucleus present toward base. These are the four identification points of pseudostratified columnar epithelium for histology, practical and slide. I already upload the detailed slide explanation video on this topic pseudostratified columnar epithelium, and also I give a complete lecture of histology on pseudostratified columnar epithelium, and now I will upload these identification point also for practical and slide. On my YouTube channel you can find general histology, special histology, each slide detailed explanation video and each slide identification point video for practical and slide. If you like my videos, press the like button and share these videos with your friends. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon to open the all notification for receiving my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.